Hi, Cheryl. So often I get asked, how do I manage to feed my family for such a small amount? And the answer simply is planning. I do a lot of planning before I ever head to the shop. So today I wanted to take you along and show you the steps that I take when I create a shopping list before I actually go shopping. If you like the sound of the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So just a bit of context, we are a family of 4. I'm on maternity leave, and usually I would shop in Aldi, but with how the world is right now, I've decided to get online shops. So before I create my food shop, there's 4 steps that I take. Firstly, there's an inventory, then there's a meal plan, an essential list, and then there's a guesstimate. As we go through the video, I will talk you through those 4 stages. Our average spend is roughly around £50 a week, but to be honest, we could cut costs and we could make it between £35 to £40 a week if we was really pinching the pennies. Today I'm going to take you through the 4 key steps that I take before I go shopping. The first step is an inventory, and this is where I have a browse of the cupboards. I don't necessarily take stock of numbers. So the second step is to create a meal plan. Bearing in mind what's in the house currently with my inventory, I'll sort of have a think about what could we make based on the items that we've currently got. Hi guys, so it's Saturday now. Breakfast I won't bother meal planning for because we have the same thing every day. Lunch, however, I will try and mix it up. I'm going to make myself some chicken soup. I'll probably repeat this once again and for later on in the week. I don't need to spend lots of money on lots of different ingredients when I sort of have the same lunches a couple of times a week. So that is all my lunches planned for the week ahead. The next stage is dinner. Now, often I find Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays are extremely busy. Recently, I invested in a slow cooker, which is absolutely amazing. I didn't use it last week and I could tell. It was just so stressful in an evening. I could have a Sunday roast on a Sunday, why not? And then Monday we'll have a chiller. In the last week or so, I've not been planning as much, and then as a result we've been running out of items, which means that I've then needed to go to the shop, buy items, which then means I end up buying more than I need. So I've got my dinner recipe list here and I haven't really got that much. We haven't had a lasagna for a while, so I think we may have lasagna. Okay, I need to look for some slow cooker recipes for Wednesday, but Saturday I was thinking to have a meat-free meal because I do like to have at least one day a week where we don't have meat, so I think we'll just have like a pasta bake. On this slow cooker chicken casserole. Usually this will be a fake away sort of day on a Friday, but I've been on a bit of a detox throughout the course of March. I might just have something simple like a pesto. I might just get some pizzas for my partner, my son. That's my meal plan for this week. We try and limit as much snacks as possible. I'm going to double check I've got all the ingredients at home, and if not, I'm going to add it to the shopping list. One thing I'm doing as well is also taking note of the amounts that I'm using so that I can ensure that we buy the correct quantities, because I need to ensure that I've got sufficient for each of the meals. I can say is I've never really made a chicken soup. I'm just having a quick browse at different chicken soup recipes. I noticed that it said Greek yogurt. I was just thinking, do I need to buy the yogurt? Let's just have a quick browse. And I'm searching for the common ingredients. So of course you're going to need chicken, but not all of them do mention yogurt. If you feel like there's too many ingredients, then maybe you can find a different recipe where they've got less ingredients. Of course they will taste different, but sometimes it's just about having an enjoyable meal. So here's an example of one of the meals. So this is the chili, and then I just
double check the ingredients and make sure that I've either added any missing ingredients that I don't currently have to my shopping list. So I've added garlic because we've ran out of garlic, and then anything that we already do have, then I know that it's fine because I've cross-checked it, I've seen that it's there. So these are the items I need based on that meal plan.
So then the next step is to refer to my essential list. An essential list is basically a grocery list of all your absolute essentials that you need to get by. This could be your typical things such as milk and butter, or it could also be your toiletries such as toothpaste and shower gel. And listing it all down in one place means that you can then refer to it each week. I personally use my grocery planner, but a lot of ladies have mentioned how they just use the note section on their phone, or they might use an Excel sheet. There's lots of different ways that you can store this, and I've browsed the inventory. I'll start having a feel for what I need. At this point, I'll start creating a shopping list. When I'm creating the shopping list, straight away I'm writing down all the items that we'll need throughout the course of the week. So these are our basics such as milk and bread,
daily stuff that we use to get by, whether it's cleaning products. So to do this, I spent a lot of time in 2019, 2020 trying to set up a grocery system that would help me save money and prevent the amount of trips I was making to the shop, because I found myself spending a lot of time going to the shop throughout the course of the week. I did share a video on an inventory list. I created a free Excel sheet where you're able to add in all your items that you need by the category. So I will try and link this below. I'm going to head to the kitchen cupboards and using my essentials list and the kitchen cupboards, I'm just going to cross check and make sure I've got enough to get me through the next 7 days. Whatever's not there, I will add to my shopping list. Feel like I've got everything, so anything that's missing that we haven't got or I don't feel is sufficient for the next 7 days, I've just added it here.
Then I will add the guesstimate amount to each item on the list. I'll total this up, and then I'm hoping that it will be within my budget. If it's not within my budget, and I'll see if there's anything that I can cross off. If there is, I'll cross it off and I might delay it till next week.
Popped upstairs and realised that actually we had a couple of shower gels in the storeroom. I've just crossed this out. I don't know how, but I've just counted this and maybe I've counted it wrong. Seem to have got it to £50. I'm going to add this to the shopping list now.
If I do need those items, I am prepared to go over budget. Then that's the 4 steps. I'm ready to shop now. Those are the steps that I take to create my meal plan. It means we're able to keep our grocery spend under £50 each week.
Hi guys, so it's now Sunday and the food shop has arrived. Just thought I'd mention a few bits that I forgot to mention at the time. I would also need to buy some baby food for my daughter because recently she's just started weaning. We do tend to let her have a lot of what we're currently having, but we also buy a couple of jars or pouches for on the go, and then recently we've also started buying a couple of snacks. So we've got these rusks.
If you like the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.